Victim Witness Assistance Program, and Crown Attorney.
The criminal justice system can be confusing and intimidating. Many people have little experience with or knowledge of the system. As a survivor of sexual assault, dealing with the impact of the crime, the thought of being involved in the criminal justice system may be overwhelming. I'm Kathy Caverly from the Ministry of Attorney General's Victim Witness Assistance Program, also referred to as VWAP. One of the primary goals of VWAP is to enhance your understanding of and participation in the criminal court process. Our staff will let you know about your rights and help to ensure that they are upheld. VWAP services begin once criminal charges have been laid and continue until the court case is over. Victim Witness Assistance Program staff offer a variety of services to survivors of sexual violence, which includes emotional support, updates and information about your case, advocacy on your behalf, and helping you to communicate information to other justice personnel, such as the Crown Attorney and the police. We will check in with you about your needs, including any safety concerns, and connect you with community agencies and services that can assist you. Our staff can also guide you through writing a victim impact statement and applying for compensation through the Criminal Injuries Compensation Board. If your case proceeds to a trial, VWAP will explain the process and answer your questions about the criminal justice system, courtroom procedures, and your role in court. We will arrange for you to meet with the Crown Attorney prior to court to prepare you to testify. At our court preparation meeting, we will discuss what to expect in court, provide a tour of the courtroom, and explain all the roles of court staff. VWAP will also advocate on your behalf for courtroom needs, including testimonial aids, disability accommodations, and language needs. On the day of trial, our program will provide you with court support and offer a secure waiting area in the courthouse for you. If you are a survivor of sexual assault going through the criminal court process, we encourage you to reach out to our program.
My name is Lisa Wanamaker, and I'm a Crown Attorney for the Province of Ontario, working in Peterborough County. The Crown Attorney represents the public and is not the victim's lawyer, but we do our very best to accommodate your needs and wishes as a witness during a trial. I will also talk to you about your options if you would like to access your own lawyer. When someone reports a crime like sexual assault to the police do an investigation, and if there is evidence to meet the requirements of the Canadian Criminal Code, charges will be laid. The Crown Attorney's office will be contacted to take on the file. It is important to note that the accused perpetrator may be able to access bail, depending on the charges, and live in the community during the process of the trial. This may feel very stressful for you as a victim and witness, and it is important to speak with police and victim services about any safety concerns. Sometimes, in sexual assault trials, there will be a preliminary hearing before a trial. The entire case may take up to 2 or more years. Before a preliminary hearing and trial, the Crown Attorney's office will contact you and sit down to talk about the police report and video statement. The Victim Witness Assistance Program will also support you before the preliminary hearing and trial, and in the courtroom. You will be offered a media ban on your name or image being published during and after a trial. It is one way in which we offer to protect your privacy. When testifying against the accused, there are a number of testimonial aids that may be available, including having a support person from Victim Witness Assistance Program, using the video statement to police as evidence, and testifying outside of the courtroom if needed. You may choose to use these aids if there are safety concerns, intimidation by the accused, or if the victim witness is a child. The disclosed report of sexual assault will be given to the accused defense lawyer and will be used in court, but counseling reports and other therapeutic records are not given to the defense team unless they make a special request. If this happens, the Crown Attorney will assist you in getting a lawyer to represent you, free of charge. In the courtroom, any other sexual experience, including with the accused, is not allowed to be admitted into court unless the defense lawyer meets a very high bar for admission of the evidence. In most cases, you will not be asked or cross-examined about previous sexual experience. Our office will consult with you throughout the process, and we make every attempt to inform you of all major decisions during the trial.